Oh, and yeah, by the way, I'm riding with John again, but it's just pit bikes because the 450 would not be able to handle it. Do you see this? Look at all them, like, I'm gonna get so soaked. Like, my back is already getting sprayed. But yeah, that hill is pretty rough. Like, you can't get any traction on it. Yeah, I'd probably die. We should just look for a dry spot, I guess. Maybe in the woods, I don't know. Hopefully in the woods it's still frozen. Yeah. Oh, shit. I hate the feeling of dirty mud water going down my neck. It's been a while since we've been in here. Same route is still intact. Oh, not really. There's still quite a bit of stuff in the way. Yeah, first time back since it snowed a whole bunch. Oh, fuck. Bleep. Every time I swear, just dolphin noise. Not really good for racing because it's so slippery. Oh my god. This trail seems way skinnier now for some reason. Hill and it's all leaves and I have no rear brake, which is kind of concerning. Front brake down a hill is not the way. Wow, nice. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. I kind of want to see where this goes. I don't remember. We should scout out spots for new trails, honestly, because there's already some things that have already been made by like all the logging guys that were up here, and if we just maintain what's already here, that might be the move. Ooh, I don't remember this one. I don't think I've ever ridden this trail. We could walk back to the bikes and ride it.
Yeah, let's see where
it looks like it goes far down enough, but you can always just check it out. Oh, that's frozen to the ground, or not. Okay, it was. Yeah, this looks like a decent spot. The fact that this has already been made and I've never ridden it is kind of sad. I never like riding in the woods by myself. I just find it kind of sketchy. Yeah. But this would be a sick airsoft spot. Honestly, this whole downhill we can make a BMX trail. Like just a whole bunch of turns and stuff. Yeah, and it keeps going. I'm pretty sure this is our property. Yeah, it keeps going. Yeah, there's the cornfield, so yeah, we're still in our area. You can probably just leave that. I wouldn't do anything with it. What?
Should we get the bikes and come back down?
Yeah, because it goes for a while.
Yeah, we should walk the whole thing and walk all the way back.
Yeah. Goggles are kind of fogging up. How far down does it go? Right here. We just don't want to have the cops called on us because some people might think we're trespassing. So we shouldn't stay too long. Get up. I don't think the bike will be able to do it on its own. Oh shit. Got it? Okay. Oh shit, this is slippery. Oh. Did you run out of gas or did it just stall?
No, it's just stall.
Okay. If you started from like right here and just powered up, should I try it? I don't want to go down. I'm gonna go around and come back in.
Are you sure you'll make it?
I kind of want to try. It is kind of steep though.
You have a there.
Like if I don't make it, I can always just come back down and go that way. Yeah. This is just such a bad idea. It's worth it for the video. I just need a good run up. Because I don't think once I start slowing down, I'm not really going to be able to get the momentum back. I mean, if I can't even run it, I don't think the bike will be able to do it, but
yeah,
I feel like
too slippery right now too.
that spot's good though. I could do that a couple more times, but I feel like once you got over that little crest, you'd be fine.
Yeah. Over all these branches.
Yeah.
And the log.
I mean, the bike's already smacked anyway, so I might as well go for it.
Well, you're not broken yet, so I don't know about that.
You want to film? I got my phone. Okay. Now, the challenge is gonna be to like actually get up. So. Okay. Okay. Put in neutral. Okay, we got it up over this ledge. Yeah, that's not making it. Yeah, that's not making it. Yeah, could you help me pull the front up? Okay.
I feel like if you sit on it, it's better traction.
If I sit on it, I think we can just pull it the rest of the way. Okay. Bad idea confirmed.
Can you start it again?
I can electric start. Okay, we got it. Sure, that was just like definitely worth it. I didn't have enough of a run up because of the log.
Yeah.
If I had that extra space, I could have made it.
Yeah.
I was only a couple feet away from the crest. And better tires definitely would have helped.
Or at least airing down these ones.
Yeah. Just look at that. They're getting so flat.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
I might as well like just mess these up as much as I can before I get new ones though.
Yeah.
The front tire is still pretty new. Ultimate Enduro Challenge. Ooh.
Bye.